Hello, welcome to 7 Kempton Drive in Carlisle. It's the right hand one of the two semi-detached you see there. It's got parking to the side, nice little frontage with a little lawn out the front, and this is its streetscape on a very wet January day. So nice residential area, very quiet, and we're going to look at a house which I think is ideally suited maybe to young families, young couple, professional. It's a 3-bed which has been nicely decorated throughout, and we come into a nice welcoming hall, and from the hallway we can look into the living room. Living room looks out to the front of the property. We have some blinds up there at the windows, and room in here for a 3-piece suite, television table, plenty of room for family space. We have a nice ground floor cloakroom, which I think is nicely decorated and tiled there at the half elevations. And just before I show you the kitchen, there's a useful understairs storage area here, storing hoovers, coats, shoes, etc. Just a few paint materials there, finishing from its refurbishment. And then we come into the kitchen diner. And what a lovely kitchen we have, done in a shaker style. And it's well equipped, eye level oven and grill. We've got a 4-ring gas hob, extractor fan over. There is an integral dishwasher and a washing machine behind that door there. And we've got a nice 1.5 stainless steel sink, bowl and drainer. Over this way you've got room to dine. I think you could easily get a table there for 4 people. So plenty of space for you to eat your evening meal. And just finishing off on the integral appliances is a tall integrated fridge freezer. So at the back of the property we access it through double doors, these French doors, and I'll just stick our heads out. The lawn makes up most of the rear space. There is a bit of a patio area here, a couple of raised planted areas, and we've got a very useful aluminium storage shed there for bikes, prams, etc. So we'll make our way back into the kitchen, and then I'll show you upstairs, and we go back into the hallway and we ascend. So we've got 3 beds in total. One is the master suite. There's a second which is a double bedroom, smaller double in fairness, and then you have a single bedroom. This is the master ensuite. Looks out to the front of the property. You can see that streetscape again. And if I pan round, you'll see we've got an extensive range of fitted wardrobes. Each of those are hangers, so lots of space to hang clothes. And then this is the ensuite. A chrome towel rail, pedestal wash hand basin, WC, and then we have a nice big tall shower cubicle, which has got a thermostatic shower. Bedroom 2, a smaller double, but certainly space for a double bed in here. This one gives you your outlook over the rear of the property. There's that back garden. And then turn into bedroom 3. This one's a single. Cot room, office, dressing room, whatever works for you. And there you go, that's the space. We do have a hot water cylinder in this cupboard here. Help with the drying of a few clothes if you wish to hang things in there. And then we've got the family bathroom, which is tiled out nicely. 3-piece again, with a bath and a shower screen. And you can see there we've got a thermostatic shower over. So that's 7 Kempton Drive. Lovely 3-bed semi-detached house on a new estate. Lovely condition. If you'd like to view, please do call Hunters.